Glitland linear strip light provides the perfect solution for your lighting needs. The fixture is 2 feet, 4 feet, and 8 feet long, and can be installed in row continuously with lamps end to end. 3 unique designs makes our linear strip light stand out from all similar strip lights. Number 1. Easy installation and maintenance. When you install lights onto wall and connect cables, the diffusers are held well by hinge formed by the patent bracket. No need to use another hand to hold it. And when you open or close diffusers, you just need to use hands to twist the screws, and no need to use screwdrivers. One electrician can finish all installation and all maintenance alone easily. Number 2. Easy linking with one lamp to another. Keep straight in row mounting. Just only assemble 2 fixtures end to end with a special designed steel board. Easy push-in terminals to be powered from one lamp to another. No more troubles of opening lamps and connects wires, saving you a lot of work. Inside, use the through wiring 300 volts. Enable tens of fixtures be powered by same power source up to 1500 watts. For example, 50 watts lamps you can use and link 30 pieces lamps together end to end. Glitland linear strip lights can be used for warehouse, parking garages, stairwells, offices, hallways, and many other applications in industrial, commercial, and residential. Types of installation include ceiling, wall mounting, pole mounting, train or cable mounting. Our linear strip light is very efficient and versatile, satisfying your various needs. Available in sizes 2 feet, 4 feet, and 8 feet. Available in voltage range from 20 watts to 60 watts, and available for voltage dip switch at the same time. Available in single color or 3 CCT dip switchable. Available in different volts 120 to 277 or 120 to 347 volts. Available in different efficacy 125 lumen per watt to 160 lumen per watt. Available in different sensors: microwave sensor, photocell sensor. And available in different emergency fixing ways, pre-installed in our factory or field installable in your site. We reduce your SKU by field installable. Also, we can fix wire guard cover, and the diffusers are polycarbonate and anti-impact, and at the same time you can fix wire guard for more protection. And we also care your installation, offer you optional steel covers to hide wires and hose in octagonal box. Our lamps performs perfect, 50,000 lifetime, 0 to 10 volts dimming, damp location, high power factor, wire guard, sensors, and all emergency battery backup. All your needs, you can find a solution from us, Glitland. We offer you satisfaction and over-satisfaction. Even your special design or requests, OEM or ODM, we can finalize for you easily and quickly. Even without mold, sometimes we can make for you samples within 1 week. Contact us and let us care about your needs.